Google Opinion Rewards is an app developed by Google that allows users to earn money by completing surveys. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices and is free to download. When users first install the app, they are asked to provide some basic information about themselves, such as age, gender, and location. This information is used to match users with relevant surveys. Once the user completes the registration process, they will begin to receive surveys on a regular basis. These surveys are typically short, taking only a few minutes to complete. They may include questions about users' opinion on different products, services, or experiences. Users earn money for each survey they complete. The amount earned varies depending on the length and complexity of the survey. The money earned can be used to purchase items on the Google Play Store, such as apps, games, music, and books. Google Opinion Rewards is a legitimate way to earn money, and it's a good way to earn some extra cash while providing your opinion on products and services that you use on a daily basis. However, it should be noted that the amount of money earned through the app is relatively small, and it should not be considered as a primary source of income.